Okay, y'all. Today we'll be doing a story, but I made it with ChatGPT. But whatever. But I'll tell you. Okay, so I've done most of the work. I'm gonna read it now. It was a calm afternoon until the intercom crackled, saying, "This is the lockdown," and then the room was completely silent. And then Jordan whispered like this. It was a lockdown. And some said, I was literally about to ask for a pencil. And then the teacher said this. Everyone, this is a drill. Remember what we practiced. And then Alex said, this is not the time for panic. This is the time for focus. And then Sam said, chairs were scraped softly. Backpacks were clutched like expensive, priceless treasures. Every sound suddenly felt louder, and then Jordan said, he said it quiet but intense like this. Why does a drill feel real every time? And then Sam said, I swear the clock just got louder on purpose. And then the teacher said, deep breaths, stay together, stay calm. And then Sam said, minutes passed, or maybe seconds, no one could tell. And then Alex said, when they say it's just a drill, it feels like a test. And then the intercom crackled again, and then it said, the lockdown is over now. Oh, sorry, I got just distracted. And then it said, the lockdown drill's now over. Thank you for your cooperation. So then Sam said, can I ask for that pencil now? And then Jordan said, I've survived. And then the teacher said with a soft smile, he said, you all did what you were supposed to do. And then Sam said, and just like that, the calm afternoon. The narrator said it. And just like that, the calm afternoon slowly returned, leaving behind silence and the reminder that drills can feel dramatic. And it's done. And I'm probably just gonna make another story. The next one's about fire alarms and it's still loading. But anyways, when it's still done waiting, I'll sing this. Do you really think that I care if you really don't like me? Find somebody else, it could be anyone else out there. Don't fret, I don't ever wanna see you, and I'll never ever miss you again. They don't like me like I like you. They don't like me like I like you. Nah. In the yellow and green, stick around and you'll find what I mean. There's a mountain top where I'm dreaming of. Stick around and you'll find what I mean. I've been running shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like there's someone. Da-da-da. I've been running shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. Wait, I forgot to say the last story's name. The last story's name was the Lockdown Drill, and now this one's a fire alarm, and it's called the Fire Alarm Saga. So there's going to be a fire alarm in it. It was a quite Tuesday morning. The sun streamed through, the pen scribbled, laptops hummed, the world felt calm. Then, dun dun dun, beep beep beep, and I'm gonna put in a actual. And then I'm gonna put in an actual sound effect about the beep beep beep, and that's the fire alarm. Well, I don't know, but the fire alarm screamed like a battle horn. Students jumped, papers flew, chairs screeched across the floor. Even the air seemed to vibrate with urgency. Is it real? Jordan shouted, clutching a notebook like a shield. No, it's just a drill. Probably. Sam said that. So, though his voice wavered, his shoes squeaked as he ran to the door. Sorry, my voice is like turned. No, my voice is kind of like a bit hurting today, cause like kinda. His shoes squeaked as he ran towards the door. Anyways, Alex, ever composed, grabbed the class roster. We followed the plan, stay calm together, but calm was impossible. The alarm was relentless. I'm sorry guys, I can't continue the story because my Wi-Fi is like glitching. I'm saying this off. Oh well, I got 2 lines to go, but like it's not working. But it pulsed through hallways like a monster's heartbeat. Even the ceiling tiles seemed to shake in fear. And it's just people. Bye all. I really appreciate for you tuning in. And if these just like to know the weather forecast in Middlesbrough is going to be at 10 o'clock. At 4 o'clock in the UK. It'll be dark because the sun sets in like. The sun sets in 27 minutes. Oh, bye y'all. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, my UK people.